When you buy an Edencraft, you're buying ultimately the golden ticket to the greatest show on the water.
The people here in this family, the boats, the company, mate, is unreal. What else can I say? Bloody beautiful. What a weekend. What a 10 days.
Oh, look, it's been good to come over back to Tasmania again for the second time and catching up with all the crew from the mainland and all the boys here from Tassie. We got a beautiful bluefin there off Eagle Hawk Neck, went to 109 kilos.
This Wineglass Bay, it is just stunning. The east coast of Tasmania again. Not too many places in our wonderful country that's as good as this. Let's get back to some fishing. Because when you're sitting on the water, good friends and laughter, what a way to go to end off our wonderful 2024 tour. Cheers everybody.